Yep guys, here's Big Zulu advising the upcoming artist of Kabi Nation guys, her daughter guys. So she's advising her, she's telling her that to get in the mood of what you're saying when recording a song. Yes guys, she's telling her that she must get into the mood of the song guys, she must go with the flow guys, she must be energetic. Here's Big Zulu advising her daughter.
Kumele ube kwi-mood yento oyishoyo. Lento yenzile nje ukubamba izandla nje ayisebenzi. Mabe ucula ingoma uba kwi-mood. Yes, ayiyabona. So if uzocula nje wena umile abantu benza exactly lento oyishoyo. Ukuthi ayilo muntu. Futhi umuntu emlonyeni. Keep umuntu then ube semoyeni ukuthi uyacula manje.
Melalelwa abantu lengoma.
Ilalelwa abantu phela ngoma into eyolalelwa abantu. Mama abona uzoculela abantu. Yiba kumuntu ngena kumuntu ngena egiyeni. Yes ucule. Ngena egiyeni yo.
Yep guys, as they always say that in beats father's love guys, as Big Zulu was advising her daughter, that was Big Zulu advising her daughter guys. Once again, if you have any comment or any opinion guys, you can leave them down below in the comment section guys, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon in order to be the first person to know whenever I upload a new video here on this channel. Once again, thanks for watching.